I'm Anna Ragland.
And I'm Lily Buffa.
And this is our video project called Russellville High School. The smoothie R processes lipids and functions in many metabolic processes, much like your body functions in gym class. The smoothie R secretes products of the testes, ovaries, and skin oil glands, much like a student would sweat in gym class. While doing this, it processes toxins, much like toxins in your body are removed through physical activity and sweating. Just like these kids in here.
The plasma cell membrane provides protection for the cell in a fixed environment. Officer Hargis, which this is his room, he's just not here today, provides protection and tries to make a fixed and safe environment for everyone inside the cell or the school by watching traffic, stopping fights, and making sure all doors are locked and sealed so no one can enter or exit without permission. The vacuoles store waste and help dispose of waste. The custodians of our school store waste by making sure our trash cans have trash bags in them and helps dispose of waste when trash bags get too full in handy-dandy dumpster. The Golgi apparatus prepares protein and lipid molecules for use inside and outside the cell. Mr. Lester prepares proteins, or the kids who are made of proteins, by preparing them inside school for jobs and future college and life decisions. The Golgi apparatus also moves things around the cell. Mr. Laster is always moving around the school and is very hard to find. He has always doing important tasks such as updating scholarships and helping seniors. Lysosomes break down cellular components that need to be destroyed. Much like maintenance, they break down any parts of the school that are broken, including furniture or ceiling tiles. These parts are destroyed, taken out back.
This is a great example of things that have been removed from classrooms and are to be disposed of.
Set of microtubules that serve as the skeletal system of the cell. The school building is the skeletal system that keeps every organelle enclosed and safe. It is truly a skeletal system. The doors, for example, they lock. Nothing gets in and nothing gets out without the allowance from the nucleus.
These are part of the strong structures of the school.
See, it's supporting me. It's the structure of the school. The powerhouse of the cell is the mitochondria, much like our teachers. Without our teachers, there would be no school or education. The mitochondria makes energy for the cell to function, much like the teachers, like Mr. Waters, is very energetic and makes lots of energy to keep their students engaged in their classes. And the mitochondria each has their own genetic material that is different from the nucleus, just like the teachers have different lesson plans and different subjects to teach.
All my lesson plans and subjects are the best, so that is one difference between all of us teachers, so thank you.
She's part of our mitochondria because her plans are different than the other teachers' plans because she teaches Spanish, and she's our only Spanish teacher.
Mention her room.
It's very decorated in here, see? Okay, our teachers are part of our mitochondria, and this is one of our teachers.
Right, go.
These are part of our mitochondria, and they have their own lesson plans because they teach band, so.
You Jackman out.
Chloroplasts convert light energy into stable energy via photosynthesis. The school has a secret greenhouse right here, but when it is used, it always interests and attracts students or light. The excitement or the energy from these kids enhances their growth in school, just like photosynthesis. The nucleus is the control center and contains cell chromosomes that encode genetic information. The office, which is inside the cell, knows everything. If you need something, you go to them. Orders come from the nucleus, much like phone calls and emails come from the office. They have everyone's genetic information stored through physical and vaccination records. And the nucleus also gets to say people come in and come out of the school.
The nucleolus is in the nucleus, and right now we're in the nucleolus.
The nucleolus is where ribosomes are made. The ribosomes help link amino acids together to form proteins. I am the nucleolus. Positivity and enforcement is what I do in the school. The ribosomes, or positivity and enforcement, are shared throughout the school, and I assemble my team and staff to produce proteins, or in our case, educated children.
I am the cytoskeleton. I give structure to the cell. I'm in charge of discipline and in providing structure and support. I do not allow anything to get out of line with the cell, and I provide undying love for the cell and all of you.
The rough endoplasmic reticulum produces proteins for the rest of the cell to function. The cafeteria does just this by giving out food, which may contain proteins, for the student body and the rest of the cell to function for the rest of the school day.